Hey guys, I'm gonna do a burp contest with this Pepsi. It's Pepsi, you know. It's soda. Pepsi. If you don't know what Pepsi is, you're stupid and don't go back where you came from. So, just saying. Just let me wait if the burp comes out, popping out. Just wait. Wait for the moment. Might take an hour. Oh, nothing happened. Just wait for the burp. Yeah, it's gonna take an hour. Sorry, I know it's not making any burp. I feel the bubble popping right now. Any moment. I don't know what I'm laughing. Come on, I want to burp. Alright. If I didn't burp, then I think I need to drink more soda than that. This is taking forever. Oh, that was my first burp. I was waiting for that. Oh, finally. Finally I made it to burp. Alright, I'll see you guys on TikTok. Just check out my YouTube videos and my TikTok videos. I got rabies. I got rabies. I got rabies. Bye.